How to change topics in Pinterest. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change topics in your Pinterest tab. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Pinterest tab. And then here, once you're on your Pinterest tab, you have to go to your profile. So tap here to go to your profile. And then here, tap on these three dots in the top right corner. Then here tap on settings, and in settings tap on home feed tuner. Then here tap on topics, and here you will see all of your topics. So I have not selected any topics, so let me add some topics. So if you also want to add topics, you have to tap on add topics, and then here to add these topics, one of them, you have to just tap on this plus in the bottom right side of that topic, and that topics will be added to your home feed. And so here are the topics I have selected now. So for example, if I want to change topic and I don't want these topics, you just simply have to tap on the check in the bottom right side of that topic and uncheck it, and now your topics are changed. And so this is how you can change topics in Pinterest. Thanks for watching.